Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out articles on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and then tap on this menu icon that you can find down below. Then click on articles in the second row. That's the second option too. And here you can find a bunch of articles as you scroll down. So if you're interested in any of these, tap on the relevant one and you will be able to start reading it. As you scroll down, you can proceed with it. You can find several pictures and brief paragraphs. So if you are interested in adding it to your favorites, tap on the heart icon in the middle of the screen. You can add your comment to it as well and share it by tapping on the share button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.